If you don't like waiting around but still want results, then let's fix your Poco X7 booting issue fast. First, let's try a forced restart. Press and hold the power button and volume up button together for a few seconds until your phone restarts. Easy, right? Next, check for software updates. Head to your phone settings and see if there are any updates waiting for you. Install them to keep your device running smoothly. Now, make sure your phone's got enough juice. Charge it up before trying to boot again. Still not working? Let's get a bit advanced. Turn off your phone, then press and hold the power button and volume up button to enter recovery mode. Navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset using the volume buttons and select it with the power button. Remember, this will erase your data, so back it up first. Lastly, check for any physical damage. Cracks on the screen? Bent casing? These could be the culprits. If nothing works, it's time to call for backup. Contact Xiaomi customer support or head to an authorized service center.